In this video, we will see together how not to mix entre and parmi. Entre and parmi. So entre and parmi, in some cases among my students, they tend to mix the two, and that's the reason why I thought it might be important to have this little explanation. So let's start, well, with entre. So entre, the most important thing is that it will be connected to two elements. Donc il y aura deux éléments. So let's imagine the first one is téléphone A and the second one is téléphone B. And here is the sentence. Je n'arrive pas à choisir entre ces deux téléphones. So this is important in that case. We'll use entre, as I told you, because we have two phones, deux téléphones. Je n'arrive pas à choisir entre ces deux téléphones. So that's the first, well, example that we could have, simple example with entre. Second possibility, il y a Arnaud, il y a Laurent et il y a Vincent. C'est moi. Vincent va s'asseoir entre Arnaud et Laurent. Vincent va s'asseoir entre Arnaud et Laurent. Situation is exactly the same here. You've got two persons. First Arnaud is here and then Laurent is here. So because we have two persons, so deux éléments, I should have put deux personnes. So we can use the entre. Vincent va s'asseoir entre Arnaud et Laurent. And so let's have a look now at parmi. Parmi, the important thing is that it will be more than two. More than two elements, more than two persons, more than two things. So téléphone A, téléphone B, téléphone C, téléphone D. Je n'arrive pas à choisir parmi tous ces téléphones. Je n'arrive pas à choisir parmi tous ces téléphones. So in that situation, quite clearly, it would be not possible to say entre because we've got more than two elements, more than two phones. Je n'arrive pas à choisir parmi tous ces téléphones. And this is the difference between entre and parmi.